Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money with AI? Not just talking about it, but really cashing in? Welcome to AI Hustle Lab, where I turn wild AI tools into real dollars. Let me tell you about my craziest week yet. I pulled in $1,000 using nothing but an AI voice cloning tool and a little hustle. So, I stumbled onto this website called Voice.ai. It lets you clone any celebrity's voice. Think Elon Musk, cartoon icons, whoever you want. The setup is easy. Upload your voice, pick a celeb, and boom, you're talking like them. I started with Elon Musk's voice, recorded some podcast ads and YouTube intros. The reaction? Insane engagement. People couldn't stop asking how I pulled it off. Then I got creative and offered custom voiceovers for small businesses on Fiverr. In less than a week, I hit my first $1,000. I won't lie, there's a learning curve. You have to figure out how to use the tech well and deliver value. But honestly, AI does most of the heavy lifting. Just imagine using AI to sound like your favorite celebrity and turning that into real cash. If you want to try it, check the link for Voice.ai below. Remember, use it responsibly. There are real legal and ethical risks. For more wild AI hustles and true stories, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching AI Hustle Lab, and keep hustling smart with AI.